Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be reviewing some of the things that I wanted to try out, and these are like my first impressions, first time using them, and I'm also going to be showing you on my hair as I use them. I recently ran out of my Cantu leave-in repair cream. You guys have seen me using this on my videos, so I ran out. Okay, I had heard this product for about a year. I bought it in 2019, the beginning of 2019, and I used it for the entire year and the beginning of this year. So I ran out and I needed a leave-in conditioner because I cannot live without a leave-in conditioner. I found this Cantu leave-in conditioner men's collection, Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Intense Moisture. I couldn't find this leave-in conditioner, so I bought this. That's literally the entire reason. I didn't buy it because, you know, I wanted to like try it or just I've had a lot about it. It's just because I needed a leave-in conditioner and I couldn't leave the store without a leave-in conditioner, because what are we going to use for my hair? Like, what am I going to be using for my hair? So I decided, you know what, even though it says it's men's collection, I am going to try it on my hair. I mean, it should provide the same moisture, right? So it says Cantu men's collection is specifically formulated for the needs of men and women with wavy, curly, coarse hair. Our unique blend of caffeine, hemp seed oil, and shea butter deeply moisturizes to help prevent and repair dry, brittle hair. So what are the benefits? Okay, let's see the benefits. The benefits are it's anti-break, which says the hemp seed oil improves moisture retention and elasticity to fight breakage. Shea butter deeply moisturizes hair. We all know that. Strength. Caffeine encourages hair growth and reduces shedding. Okay, all this sounds good to me. So those are the three benefits: anti-breakage, health, and strength. And we need all of that. So what are the directions for using this? Apply to the ends of damp hair and work towards roots. Okay, comb through for even distribution. Apply more to the ends of longer hair or problem areas. Do not rinse. It definitely smells like a man's perfume. Okay, so this is how, okay. So it's a little bit thick compared to the other, compared to this. This is a little bit light, and it definitely has a different oil, different smell. And yeah, so this one is a little bit thick and this one is lightweight. So we're gonna start trying out on my hair. This is my freshly washed hair. My hair is not dirty. So yeah, let's try it out and see how it's going to feel like. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water because my hair is not damp and it requires our hair to be damp. Let's get a little bit and see. Actually, let's get a little more. Okay. Yeah, it feels really thick. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like a man's perfume. Okay, my hair absorbs it very well, so that's good. I honestly don't see a big difference with this. So I'm gonna go in with my oil. So I'm using the LOC method. So I'm not gonna moisturize this hair with a cream. I just wanna see how, I don't wanna like have heavy products on my hair, so then I'm gonna like curl my ends like that. That's exactly what we're doing.
Free falling now, I'm free falling.
So yeah, this is my hair, fully moisturized. So I'm gonna put my hair in this bath, then I'm gonna have my hair like this for a week. Moisturized hair. So I'm gonna give this leave-in conditioner an 8. Reason being that I have to use a lot of leave-in when I'm applying it on my hair. I felt like I had to like use a lot of it. You can see, guys, like in just one sitting I had to use a lot of it, so that's why I'm giving it an 8. When I apply it, I feel like it quickly absorbs in my hair, and I feel like my hair is really moisturized. This is great. I would definitely use this. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you really have enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified every time I post videos. I post videos every week, so make sure to check out the videos that I post. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.